Kitchen renovation, ideas and inspiration to beautify your space. The kitchen is the heart of any home. It's where family and friends gather to cook, eat, and socialize. However, over time, your kitchen may become outdated, cluttered, and difficult to work in. If you're thinking about renovating your kitchen, there are many different ideas and inspirations that can help you beautify your space and create a more functional area for cooking and entertaining. Here are some ideas to get you started. Choose a color scheme. One of the easiest ways to give your kitchen a fresh, updated look is to change the color scheme. Consider choosing a neutral color palette, such as white, beige, or gray, and adding pops of color with accents like colorful tiles or a bright backsplash. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, choose a bold color like red or blue for your cabinets or countertops. Update your cabinets. Cabinets are one of the most important elements in any kitchen. If your cabinets are outdated or worn, consider replacing them with new ones. You can choose from a wide range of styles and materials, including wood, metal, and glass. Alternatively, you can save money by painting or staining your existing cabinets to give them a fresh new look. Add lighting. Good lighting is essential in any kitchen, especially if you do a lot of cooking. Consider adding task lighting under your cabinets or above your stove to brighten up your workspace. Pendant lights over your island or dining area can also add a stylish touch. Install new countertops. Replacing your countertops is another great way to update your kitchen. There are many different materials to choose from, including granite, marble, quartz, and concrete. Each material has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, so be sure to do your research before making a decision. Upgrade your appliances. If your appliances are old or inefficient, consider upgrading them. New appliances can not only make your kitchen look more modern, but they can also help you save money on energy bills. Look for appliances with Energy Star ratings to ensure that they are energy efficient. Add storage space. If your kitchen is lacking in storage space, consider adding cabinets, shelves, or a pantry. You can also maximize your existing storage space by adding organizers, such as pull-out shelves or drawer dividers. Create a focal point. Every kitchen needs a focal point, whether it's a striking backsplash, a colorful rug, or a statement light fixture. Consider adding one or more of these elements to draw the eye and create a sense of visual interest in your kitchen. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing natural elements into your kitchen, such as wood, stone, or plants, can create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Consider adding a wooden cutting board, a stone countertop, or a potted plant to add a touch of nature to your space. Consider an open floor plan. If your kitchen is separated from the rest of your home, consider opening up the space to create a more open floor plan. This can make your kitchen feel larger and more inviting, and it can also make it easier to entertain guests. Don't forget the details. Finally, don't forget about the small details that can make a big difference in your kitchen renovation. Consider adding new hardware to your cabinets, installing a new faucet, or adding decorative touches like a vase of fresh flowers or a colorful fruit bowl. In conclusion, a kitchen renovation can be a major undertaking, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. By incorporating some of these ideas and inspirations into your renovation plans, you can create a beautiful, functional space that you'll love for years to come.